Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Amade Rural Development Gate Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan ngasi Leibak Sin Batungna launch Taukiba Vikshit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Azivika Mission Gramin VBG Ramji Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Luchingtuna State Asidasu Houdok-Khre Kungangi Yumthong Kudingda Lupa Chahungi Kutsumal Oiba Numit Chamakun Mangani Tabak Suhan Gadaba Employment Guarantee Scheme Asiga Mari Lenana Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Hai Leibak Ase Malemda Khwaidagi Mapangal Kanba Amadi Chaukhatpa Leibak Ama Ohenabagi Pandam Amaga Luinana Changsilakliba Vikshit Bharat Englishingani Nifutareki Manungda Ama Oidiba VBG Ramjina Leibak Asigi Miyamda Kanabakaya Piba Ngamlagani Hana MGNREGSK card paiba mi amana lupa chani marifugi khutsumal oiraga sumnatagi numit chamane khaktamak thabak suramba adu hojikti scheme asigi makhada mi amana nomagi khutsuman lupa chahum oiraga numit chama kun mangani thabak subagi khudong chaba piri masina leba asigi rural area singda leiba miyamda chawna mateng pangba ngamlagani haiki
Vikshit Bharat 2047 Malemda Pichivida Bharat si Khwaidagi Mapangan Leba Madi Sakut Palebak Ama Oinabagi Panamda Toan Filda Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri na Shinbiriba Mayam Simanunda Nasi DBG Ramji Hanagi MG Narega Ina Lerambadagi Nasi Masih unsur pas nama mereka anda Manipura subang nobam kandaba singgi, bagi hana MG narega di card pajak singgu card anuba skim sida hana lupa saniga marhum doi pangambado bagi lupa jahum panggani. Aduga numit sama kak oilambado numit sama kak kunga manga oilani. Sige jo Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri na numit sama kak kun manga ni onpilak bagi au bakwa abdu kubiro.
Amaromda Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj na Sinduna Salam Tourism Eco Tourism Park da Pangtokiba Thoram Amada Virtual gi Kuthangda Saduk Yakibi Rural Development and Panchayati Raj amasung Tribal Affairs and Health Ki Minister Nemcha Kipken Hai Lenga Asina Kungangi Tongan ba mafam singda lambi thong amade water conservation gi oiba small scale project singda miding thamduna Kungangda leiriba imong kayana mayoknariba awaba sing koknana bahotnari masigi mathakta agriculture horticulture amadi water set development ke thabak thoram kaya amasu jal jivan mission gi makhada paikhatuna kungangi aying asagi khal kaihandana ba khongthang kaya paikhatle khongthang sing asida mari leinaba mipum khudingmak na pukchal sing na thabak tongminaduna miyamgi yaifana ba hotnaminasti haiki thoram aduda lamsang esigi MLA Sorok Khaibam Rajen gi maikai degisu thoram aduda tenkhiba miyamda ngasidagi hona Miyamda kana ba pikadawriba VBG Ramji ki maramda wafam kaya marum hongdokhi.
Space and materiality must be addressed initially, and completed asset must be maintained properly. Above all, trust of workers, gram panchayats, local institutions, and communities must remain protected. I have always believed that the real development begins in the village. A small roads, a water conservation, road, a community asset, or livelihood supporting project may look modest on paper, but for a rural family, it can save time, reduce hardship, improve income, and bring dignity. That is why Gram Sabha based planning must remain at the heart of VBG Ramji.
Policy program kaya putoga Bharat ki mipum khudimagta piriba asigumba Bharat ki Prime Minister se maha ki thabak thoram mayam aduna Bharat ki prajana apianba kaya lakhudagi ngasi ekoi Bharat BJP na sarkar paiba mayam ama ngamaiba sigumba maha ki success oiba scheme mayam sinaneba adu ngasi ekoi ki Manipur dasu ekoi tapna tapaki lamdodi ayamba shanti gi adugumba ekoi Ingna peace lakwa hore adu chingi lamda so koi peace langna na bahona bada Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji na cobra tim thajal laga chingi lamda so unauthorized gun mayam khongna bahona ba sigumba mayam